Hey everyone, it's Steve and my conductor, Caden.
I'm ready.
Okay, so hold on, Caden. This is the Lionel 8206. This was produced in 1972. It looks like those old post-war locos, but it's actually not. This particular locomotive is in, well, I'll just go ahead and say it, very minty condition. If you get really close and we look at the wheels here, you can see that there's no rust down there, and looking all over the engine, there's no major imperfections anywhere. It's got
And the color.
the jewels up front, looking very good, and overall this engine is just in excellent condition. Now what's cool about this engine is this tender in particular is electronic of sorts. You'll see that there's a little wire there that connects the engine and the tender, and that wire in the engine actually connects to the motor. So when the engine's running, it makes a sound out of a speaker in the tender to simulate the steam. It also whistles. Now, these tenders are notorious for the whistles going out. This particular one does whistle. It's got to get up to speed a little bit for it to do it. But it does do it, and we're going to try and demonstrate that here now. So I'm going to look at my conductor here, and go ahead, Caden, and start her up, but not too fast.
Okay.
No, wait, we don't want to start in reverse. Let's start in the forward. Yep. And there you go. Now forward. Not too fast. Very good. Good job, Mr. Conductor. Now you want to show him reverse?
Yep. But you can't use the whistle on it, or else it'll fall off the rails.
Well, we just don't have to. We can't go too fast, or it'll go off the rails because we have a very short track here. So why don't you show him reverse, Mr. Conductor?
Let's not try to whistle on it.
Go ahead. Alright. And we'll bring her to a stop. And that is the Lionel 8206. Nice looking engine here.
Yep. That's a really awesome train.